Hold dito, yeah. Next week, ulitin ko, pulmonary circulation. Last year, in-direction yan along with respiratory physiology. Ngayon, sinama ko ang pulmonary circulation with the heart. That closely related yan. And then, cardiac output, venous return, and yung sabi ko, kanina?
Pulmonary circulation.
Hindi, yung isa pa. Meron pa isa. Arterial pressure, tapos na kayo? Regulation of arterial pressure. Ayun, tatlong yan. That is 18, 20, and pulmonary circulation, pakicheck it lang.
Opo.
Okay, isang chapter lang. Alright? May klase pa kayo? Maaga tayo na. Okay? See you tomorrow morning. Alright.
Thank you, Dong.